Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Shalom, Om Swastiastu, Namo Buddhaya, salam kebajikan baik kita semua. Let me introduce myself. My name is Rama Ahmad Raja Maranai from Class E of the Language English course. In this video, I will review the contract entitled Leviathan Mineral Group Incorporated Employment Agreement. This section explains the parties involved in this contract and the statement indicating that parties involved in this agreement, namely Leviathan Mineral Group Incorporated as a company and Samuel Kai Fong Zia as executive, have a mutual understanding of this contract and acknowledge that they will follow what is written in these clauses in this contract. Employment. This section explains the rights and responsibilities of the employees and employers, including the title, the duties of the executive, the responsibilities normally performed by company CEO, the power and duties of the executive, and then a full exclusive basis that enables employees to perform service faithfully. The term. This section explains the terms of the agreement, the date this agreement will become legally effective, and any renewal or extension in its contract has term starting from January 1, 2011 to December 31, 2012, but with the provision that the terms can be extended. So, in this agreement, the company was to employ an executive as a chief executive officer or the CEO, and the executive was to work the company based on terms and conditions in this agreement. Compensation. This section explains employee right to receive compensation such as a reimbursement of the business expense and other benefit that the company will provide to employees when they are a part of the company in this section. Compensation for working at this company is explained, including an annual salary of $600,000, as well incentive compensation of $200,000 for success in the first quarter of the IPO. Confidential information non-disclosure. This part explains that the employee is by law will be not able to disclose any confidential agreement information that they acquired. This part also included exclusion and document included in this confidential term. Termination. This section explains the terms and conditions that will result in this termination of the agreement, and also provide an explanation of the condition that need to be met by the company when terminating the agreement with the party to whom agreement is granted, such as death, disability, dismissal by the company for cause, dismissal without cause, notice of termination, and the date of termination. Compensation or a termination. This compensation upon termination section explains the compensation that employees will receive from the company when the agreement is terminated by the company, which generally occurs and for good reason. Termination generally. Termination generally if the executive employment with the company and terminated during the term, the company will pay any unpaid base salary, incentive compensation, unpaid expense reimbursement, accrued vacation, and a vested benefit. The accrued benefit within a 30 days of termination. Termination by the executive with a good reason. If the executive terminate his employment for a good reason, as provided in Section 505, then the company shall, until the termination of that, pay executive an accurate benefit if executive execute generally release of claims in form manner satisfaction atau satisfactory for the company within 30 days of the receipt of the release and does not revoke. The release during the 7-day revocation period. The company shall payment the executive certain dependents. Miscellaneous provision. This section explains other clauses agreed to in this contract that are not regulated in the other clauses in this agreement. Miscellaneous provision. This agreement will be governed by the interpreted in the accordance with the law of the state Delaware. The parties agree that any action of the proceeding related to this agreement, including any breach of transaction covered by it, will be settled in Delaware, whether through arbitration or other means. The parties agreed to be subject to the jurisdiction of the state court in Delaware and the United States Federal Court in this District of Delaware. This section is the last section in the contract, containing the signature between Leviathan Mineral Group as a company and Samuel Kai Fongzia as an executive. The parties involved agree to sign any required document to fulfill the purpose of this agreement. This agreement is the only agreement between parties and cover everything related to the subject matter. This agreement will replace any previous or current employment agreement, whether they are spoken or written between the parties. If any part of this agreement is found be invalid or unenforceable, the rest of the agreement will still be valid and enforceable. This agreement will be interpreted at the straightforward and fair commercial manner. Yeah, that's all for me. Thank you.